In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Temu to Australia on the Temu website. If you want to shop with pricing in Australian dollars and view shipping information that matches Australia, this is a very simple setting to update directly from the Temu homepage. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top, type tmu.com, and press enter. This will take you to Temu's main shopping landing page. Give the site a moment to load fully so all menus and options appear correctly before moving on. When you're on the home page, the next thing you need to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. This section is sometimes called the footer, and it usually contains extra site settings, support links, and regional options that aren't shown at the top of the screen. Keep scrolling until you reach the lowest section of the web page. At the bottom, look for the country selector icon. This is the option that lets you change your shopping region. Depending on how the page appears on your screen, it may be shown as a globe icon, a region label, or a country-related setting. Click on that country selector to open the global regions menu. Once the regional menu appears, you should see a world map or a list of available locations. From there, select Australia. This tells the website that you want to browse the Australian version of Temu instead of another regional version. After selecting Australia, the site should update to the localized experience for Australian shoppers. That means product pricing will typically be shown in AUD, which makes it easier to understand the actual cost while browsing. You may also notice that shipping details and postal information are adjusted to align with Australian delivery standards and formatting, which can help avoid confusion during checkout. If the page doesn't refresh immediately, just wait a moment or manually reload the page in Chrome. That can help apply the new region setting properly. Once the site updates, you can continue shopping as usual, but now with the Australian regional settings in place, that's all it takes to switch Temu to Australia on the website.